Today I'm gonna be playing Roblox Rivals.
And you have and guys, this is my cousin, which I've been video calling
Yes.
for a long time when we were playing together. Yeah,
And this is my cousin's account.
yeah. Guys, this is Sean. I know you all heard him before. Yeah. But anyways, of course, I guess I'll post this. Yeah, my cousin will control this account, right now because, you know,
Wait, can I build something?
because, you know,
Oh my gosh,
yo,
dude.
how are you doing? Excuse me? What the freak?
What?
That looks so nice. Where in the world? Oh my gosh, what? The
Reset. Let me reset it.
freak?
Okay.
So yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave now. Bye.
Bye. So let's start the Roblox Rivals.
You have to talk a lot, right?
Yeah. Okay, bro.
By the way, this is Sean's gaming, by the way. He quit it and yeah, he's gonna control this account.
Yeah.
Why did you quit?
I don't know.
Bro doesn't even know what he quit it.
Oh my gosh, they're so laggy.
Bro!
Oh my gosh.
What?
How can I not even hit the shot? Dude! This... Oh my gosh. So laggy. I have to stand still. This iPad is so laggy. Dude. Ah!
What? Don't take my tablet.
Oh! Okay, fine.
Don't take my tablet.
Your tablet is super dirty. Not gonna lie. I said not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie. I'm like, oh.
Dude. Dude. You have the original. This is so bad. You need to change your crosshair. I mean, give me the game. Okay, and then aim assist, auto shoot. Okay. What do you mean double tap to attack? Auto jump? What do you mean? Right. Wait, your FOV.
na lang to. Tuloy mo na lang.
Okay. Yeah, it's still recording.
Sabi mo na kay Lola na ano, bababati. Pagkain na tayo para ni Lola, tayo pa natin
Yun. Yun. I'm so obsessed with rival. Look, guys, I have auto shoot. Look. Look. I'm going. We're gonna go down.
Kaya sabi mo na kay Lola na si Cookie. Ito na, ito ka na.
Diba? Okay lang. Hindi na siya nagbabay. Hindi siya na nakukulitan.
Makakain mo tayo. Mamaya pa pala yung ano, mamaya pa yung pizza. Halika, halika, halika.
It's okay. Protect ko ikaw. Protect ko ikaw.
Dati na na.
Oh, wala. Alis na.